How's it going, everyone? I'm Tristan from Techno and Gaming, and today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use Audacity. So Audacity is a really simple and easy to use audio recording program. You can do a lot with it. It's really good for being free. And I'm going to show you how to download it, install, and use it today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is not have it open and go to this website right here, audacity.sourceforge.net. The link will be in the description if you want that, or maybe in an annotation. So go here, and once you're here, you want to download Audacity. But if you're not running on Windows, or for some reason it says something else, you want to go to all Audacity downloads. You want to pick your specified platform. So if you're on a Mac, you go here. If you're on Windows, you go here. And if you're on Linux, you can go here. For me, I'm on Windows obviously, so I'm going to go to Windows. Most people will probably be on Windows. And then we're just going to want to download the Audacity installer. It might be a different version. It doesn't really matter, guys. It's just the same thing. Just a little bit later version with new stuff. So you go ahead and click on that, and it will probably bring you to a page like this. That's fine. You don't really need to worry. It should have started downloading. So now you want to go to your downloads, or wherever the program downloads your downloads to. Probably your downloads folder on your computer. Which that's a lot of downloads right there. But anyway, there it is. It should download really fast. And then you just want to click on it, or double click it, depending on where you saved it. And you want to click run if it asked. Then it might ask for user account control. Click yes. Okay, so now you get this little pop-up window. You'll select the language to use, which you want English probably. Then you get this, welcome to Audacity Setup Wizard. Click next, 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 yes. And then I am not going to have a create a desktop icon, but you can have that. And I'm just going to click next and install. So don't worry about that. And now it's installing. It shouldn't take that long at all. Just keep on clicking next and then finish. And it did load up for me. And you might get a little window that pops up beforehand that tells you about Audacity and stuff. Just click OK on that. And you should be good. So here is Audacity. You can go ahead and close out of your web browser. We won't be needing this anymore. Now you can go ahead and make it big or whatever. So this is Audacity. It might seem complicated at first. It's really not. It's super simple. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and come up here to this top right corner kind of. And this is the mic selection right here. You want to be sure your mic is selected. For me, I'm using a Yeti Pro. So this is actually it right here, Yeti. It might be different for you. You might only have one of these, so it might be really easy for you. For the output, you want to make sure your stereo speakers are on these. I'm using USB stereo mix, so it's going to say this. It might be different for you. It might say integrated audio or something like that, or speakers or something, but just select whatever your speakers are. Then turn up your speakers a little bit so you can actually hear what's going on, and turn up your mic. Now you can really get started with recording right away, so we'll go ahead and do a quick test. So all you do to record is click the record button. And this is just a quick test to test Audacity recording. Hopefully all is well. Okay, so we just made a recording in Audacity, and as you can see, this is actually the waves of lines that we just produced by our audio. So it might look complicated, but it's, again, not complicated at all. Just what you want to do here is no matter where you click, it doesn't really matter. You can't really do much. You can select it and do whatever. It doesn't matter what you do. You just want to hit this back button, and that skips directly to the start of the thing. You can skip to the end, but I don't really know why you would do that. I never use that feature. Just skip to the beginning and then click the play button to play from the beginning. You can also select a specific spot you want to play for and then play from there, but I'm just going to play from the beginning. And this is just a quick test to test Audacity recording. Hopefully all is well. Okay, so that's how you record. It's pretty simple stuff. And if I want to play just a specific part, let's say I just want to play like this specific part and repeat it over and over. And this is just like, just to like make sure that's fine or whatever. You can do it that way or whatever. This is a really basic tutorial, so I'm not going to go over a lot of stuff. And this you can pause it too, and then unpause, and it'll keep playing. Test. I don't really use the pause feature all that much. If you want to delete a track, you can click the little X over here on the side. Right there. And then you just record a new track, and it'll start recording. So that's pretty simple. Now let's focus on saving our track. So we're going to save this track right here we just recorded. So saving is a little bit complicated in Audacity. I say that, but it's really not. There's two things. There's save project, and we can save our project. It's just saying that saving an Audacity project is not the same as an audio file. To do an audio file, you want to use export. So basically there's two kinds of files you can do here. You can do audio files, which are your normal MP3s, WAV files, stuff like that. Stuff that you can open in iTunes and stuff. And then there's AUP file, which is an Audacity file. That is going to be only openable in Audacity. So you can only open it in Audacity. But it's going to be a lossless audio. It's just going to be the lossless Audacity file. So it's going to be like the whole project and everything. So you'll get like the different tracks and stuff as well. So let's save this as test, or yeah, test 1. And we're going to go ahead and save it to the desktop. And it'll just save right there. And it is now on my desktop. And now we are just going to save it again. We're going to go to File. And instead of save or save as, which we could do, and we could save it as test, we're actually going to go to save or file and then export audio. And then we're going to go back to desktop. We're going to keep the file name test1, and we're going to save it as a .wav file. And the reason we use .wav is because, or .wav, whatever, .wav, is because it's really high quality file. It's way better than an MP3, if you know what that is. And it's just really good. Most programs can open it fine and everything. So we're going to use that file right there. And it should be the default, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. Just click on that and then click make your file name and click save. It might ask you for all this stuff. This is not important at all. So just don't waste your time doing all this. You could, but it's a waste of time. So just click OK. Okay, so now it should have saved a .wav file to your desktop, and you should be all good. If you want to open up a project, you can go to File, Open, and then you just find your AUP, and then click Open, and you can open a thing, but it's already open, so that's why it said already open. So besides that, for the basics, that's pretty much going to be it. There's a lot you can do with Audacity, and I do have another tutorial which I would recommend you guys checking out, how to remove all that white noise y'all have in the background. So go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the description. And this is the basics of Audacity, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more advanced tutorials, let me know in the comments section below, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good one, and peace.